This BMW is just 6 weeks old, and it already has permanent damage to the paint. All from loose gravel, flying debris, and the daily abuse our roads throw at unprotected vehicles. The truth is, modern highways are brutal on paint. Every day, your vehicle is exposed to chips, scratches, road tar, bug acids, bird dropping, and UV rays. And what's protecting your paint from that? Nothing? Then it's not a matter of if your paint gets damaged, it's when. That's why paint protection film, or PPF, exists. PPF is a nearly invisible self-healing layer of armor for your paint. It absorbs impact, it prevents chips and swirls, it resists stains from bugs, tar, and road grime, and best of all, it keeps your car looking flawless for years. At DoubleTake Auto Spa in Fremont, we specialize in ultra-clean, precise PPF installations. Our technicians are trained for exotic and luxury cars, and we've earned the trust of car enthusiasts, collectors, and even manufacturers. In fact, Tesla once selected us to protect a vehicle going directly to Elon Musk's executive team. Yeah, that's the level we're on. Whether it's a Porsche, BMW, Tesla, or Lamborghini, your vehicle deserves the highest quality care. And our paint protection film delivers. 10-year warranty, self-healing surface, resistance to rock chips, swirls, UV, and stains. Easier cleaning with a hydrophobic finish. Better resale value by keeping paint flawless. And here's the best part, protecting your paint with PPF costs far less than repainting damaged panels. It's peace of mind and long-term savings. So why risk it? Let us protect your vehicle the right way, with premium PPF installed by experts who care. Call or message us today to schedule your consultation. And drive with confidence, knowing your car is protected. DoubleTake Auto Spa, where protection meets perfection.